beauties, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really good. Today's video is another interesting lipstick swatch video and I'm so sure that you're going to enjoy watching the swatches of these lipsticks. We're going to review and swatch the Myhoos Cosmetics lipsticks. As many of you might know, Myhoos Cosmetics is co-founded by the most famous YouTuber Shalini. She's been there for so long creating content and she does all these lipstick swatches and I'm a big fan of her work. I watch her lipstick swatches before I became a YouTuber and I used to purchase lipsticks based on her reviews as well. These lipsticks were not sent to me and these were purchased by my own money. So whatever opinions I am putting out on this video is genuinely my opinion. Before moving to the video, if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button. Also press that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. If you're interested in watching the swatches, I will leave the timestamp below so you can directly go ahead and watch the swatches. But if you're interested in watching the review first, keep on watching. We'll also do a waterproof test, a transfer-proof test towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, let's quickly get into the video. Myhoos Cosmetics initially came up with a liquid lipsticks. Initially they launched a few shades and then they added a few more shades. I have all the new shades that they have launched and also a few of the old shades. I have total of 7 shades with me. These lipsticks retails for ₹6.99. You get 5 ml of product with 3 years of expiry, guys. The price point is slightly high, I would say, compared to the other liquid lipsticks that you normally find in the market. But there are few shades which are available at a discounted price and a few shades are not available at discounted price. If you want to buy them, you can go ahead and check their website for the offers. Let's talk about the outer packaging of these lipsticks. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a black carton packaging with white detailing. Very pretty and sleek packaging, very stylish. So this packaging also has all the details mentioned. It also says it is cruelty free, paraben free, mineral oil free, talc free, vegan. You get 5 ml of product for ₹6.99 with 3 years of expiry. I think this is a standard volume that you get in almost all the lipsticks. The initial shades that they have launched has a different formula. The new shades that they have launched have some improved formula that they are enriched with peptides and cocoa butter, so it's going to have a good nourishing formula than the previous shades. I will tell you how the new shades feel on the lips as opposed to the old shades as well. Let's talk about the inner packaging. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a plastic tube with golden cap, very pretty and sleek. I love how this is very small in size, guys, because you can travel with it very conveniently. I hate those bulky packaging. It occupies a lot of space. I don't like it at all. It's a very small, sleek packaging, but the volume that you get is same as what you get in any other lipstick. And I like how slanting the inner portion of the lipstick container is, so that you can get your last drop of lipstick without wasting it. And here you get a sticker mentioning the shade name and other details. Talking about the wand, I totally love the wand, guys. It's a very nice flat wand and the tip is really sharp, which helps in precise application. It feels very soft on the lips. When you're applying it on the lips, it feels really soft, it bends nicely and it is very comfortable to apply this lipstick. The pigmentation of these lipsticks is really good. They have full-on opaque pigment. If you want a single layer, you can just apply one coat and then you are good to go. If you want a full-on pigmentation, you can go and apply 2-3 coats. Pigmentation is really good, guys. You don't have to apply multiple coats to get that full pigmentation. If you have dark and pigmented lips like me, you don't have to worry that your pigmentation is going to peek through because it is going to cover your lips completely. Look at my lips, it's covered everything so good. I totally love the formula. The shades that were launched initially felt a little bit drying on my lips, like you feel like nothing is there on your lips. It's very light, but at the same time you feel like your lips are a little bit dry. So I would advise you apply a nice lip balm, blot it off and then you go ahead and apply this lipstick. But the new shades definitely feel a lot more comfortable, a lot more nourishing. The longevity is almost equivalent to the old lipsticks, but it is more comfortable on the lips. I totally love the finish. It's not that drying matte. It gives you that soft, comfortable, cushiony, velvety matte finish, which I totally love. The formula of these lipsticks are very thin, liquidy. You don't feel like you're applying something on your lips. It glides so smoothly on the lips. And after you finish application, it takes a bit of time to dry. But once it dries, it feels like nothing on the lips, guys. It gives you that nice, airy, velvety, soft matte finish. I wore this to my work and I carried it throughout the day, and what I felt is it was very comfortable on the lips. When I had my coffee or tea, it didn't wear off. After I had a full meal, it was still there on my lips. At the end of the day, the lipstick was still there. It did fade off, but it didn't fade off like in a weird way. Like usually what happens is when you eat or when you eat a meal, your lipstick fades off in the middle of your lips and it looks very odd. And this one didn't fade like that. I could see that it faded off overall on my lips, but the lipstick was still there. It was like very comfortable at the same time. It was not drying even at that time. So I like that fact about these lipsticks because they are really long lasting and they are one of the long lasting liquid lipsticks I have tried, guys. Usually liquid lipsticks tend to dry your lips a lot, but these lipsticks, especially the new shades, are really comfortable and they are really long lasting. These lipsticks don't transfer. I'll just show you on my hands whether they transfer. You can see that there is no transfer at all. Let's see if this transfers to the mug. It does transfer very slightly towards the mid. I think from the middle portion of my lips it did transfer, but not this portion. Maybe this part is not dried. I think that is why it has got transferred. Yeah, it does transfer, guys, but not that much. Very slight transfer. Let me just show you if this is waterproof. It is not transferring even after applying water. Can you see there is no transfer at all? So definitely these are waterproof. They're not going to smudge or budge when you're drinking water or anything. But if you're going to have an oily meal, even then it is going to stay. But it's going to wear off ever so slightly. So that's it for the review of these lipsticks. Let's quickly move on to the swatch.
First up, we have the shade Gulabo. Look at the color, guys. It's such a beautiful shade. It's a muted pink with some brown undertones. You can see clearly in the swatches it has that pink, it has that rose, and it also has some brown. It's a very beautiful shade. You don't need lip liner or you don't need anything when you're wearing this lipstick. It just lifts your face up, brightens your complexion. If you're someone who has a medium skin tone or dusky skin tone, it's going to look very beautiful. If you're someone who has fair skin tone, it's still going to look beautiful on you. I absolutely love this to wear on an everyday basis, at the same time to my office or any other special occasions, guys. Beautiful and gorgeous pinky brownie nudes in this collection, and I absolutely love this one. Next up, we have the shade Seher. Seher is a brown. It's not warm, it's not cool, it's somewhere in between. It's a neutral brown shade. It's going to look stunning on fair skin tones. For me, on my medium NC40 skin tone, it didn't pop up that much. I would say even with makeup, without makeup, it didn't brighten up my face. It was looking like I have not applied anything much on my lips. I don't know, I didn't like it that much on me. I would not suggest this shade for you guys if you are someone in the medium or in the deep dusky skin tone category. If you're someone who's fairer than me and would love a nice brown nude lip shade that is not so bright, you can definitely go for this one. Next up, we had the shade Sanj. It's one of my favorite shades, guys. It's a beautiful coral brown nude shade. I mean, it's not so much brown on your lips. It's like a coral on your lips. I love orange brown nude shades. I mean, it's such a pretty shade. This reminds me of the MAC Chili. I love that shade, and this one is so close to it. It's such a pretty shade. It's not too orangey. It's not too brown. At the same time, it has a balance between the orange and the brown. It's going to brighten up your face. You can even wear this on an everyday basis. If you're someone of medium, fair, dusky, any skin tone, guys, it's going to look pretty. It's a universally flattering, beautiful shade in this collection. Next up, we have the shade Gulkand. It's another beautiful pinky mauvey brown nude shade in this range. If you look at this shade, it is very close to the shade Gulabo, but it has a lot of mauve and brown compared to Gulabo. Gulabo is more of a pink brown nude. This one is more of a purpley mauvey brown nude. But this is also a very beautiful shade. It's going to look stunning across skin tones. Another beautiful shade in this range. I would prefer Gulabo over this shade. This shade is a very neutral, cool toned pinky mauvey brown nude, and it's going to look stunning across skin tones. Definitely a very beautiful shade for everyday wear. But if you want a brighter shade, you can go for Gulabo instead of this one. Next up, we have the shade Kokum Sharbat. This is a nice deep dark brown shade in this collection. It is somewhat, this is some sort of a rosewood brown. It has a deep brown with some berry undertones, but you won't see the berry undertones that much on the lips. It has that deep dark brown which is predominant, and it is going to look stunning on medium and dusky skin tone because it has that warmth, it has that deep brown color. So it's going to lift up your skin complexion, it's going to show up on your face very nicely, it's going to make your face brighter. It's such a beautiful shade. You can wear this on an everyday basis. You can also wear this for your special occasions and parties. If you're wearing a light colored outfit, a white or a pink or a brown outfit, it's going to look pretty on you. If you're someone who's into deep dark browns, you are going to love this shade, guys. Such a beautiful shade in this collection. Next up, we have the shade Pataka. It's such a beautiful red, you guys. I just fell in love with this red shade. It's that red that I was looking for. It's so bright. It's that chilly red. Such a bright red, very beautiful red. It's not having any warm undertones. It has a cool undertone. It's going to suit across skin tones. A very beautiful shade. If you want to stand out in the crowd, you have to wear this red. It's that beautiful red. You don't need anything when you're wearing this lipstick. You just wear this lipstick, no makeup, with makeup. It's going to look stunning on you guys. Absolutely gorgeous shade. Next up, we have the shade Fulchari. Fulchari is one of most popular shades in this entire range. I love the shade so much, guys. It has that deep berry undertones with some sort of red and some sort of a brown. It's a very beautiful shade, very unique shade. I love this shade, guys. I have even featured this in one of my makeup tutorials. This shade is more appropriate for festivals and special occasions rather than on an everyday office or college wear because it's that bright and loud. I see that this is going to look stunning across skin tones. Beautiful shade, very nice wearable, berry toned deep dark brown shade.
So my opinion about these lipsticks are these are really comfortable and long lasting liquid lipsticks. Pigmentation is amazing. They have a good shade. I totally loved all the shades that I have picked. They're so beautiful, guys, and I think the price could have been a little bit lesser because I feel like 699 rupees for a liquid lipstick is slightly on the higher side. So if that is kept aside, it is a very beautiful lipstick, very beautiful formula, beautiful finish. I totally love, and I would highly recommend these lipsticks. If you want a comfortable long lasting liquid lipstick, you can definitely pick these lipsticks. I hope you really enjoyed watching the swatches, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button. Also hit like if you really like this video. Also follow me on Instagram. I will see you soon in another interesting video. Till then, tata, see you, bye bye.